Hello, my friend. My name is Shelley Washington, coming at you live from the DMV. And a question that I get asked frequently is, does this system work? And my answer to that question is yes, absolutely, this system does work. This is a very powerful system. It works and it is all set up and done for you. Basically, it's copy and paste, and it's that simple. There are videos that provide you the training. You don't need to know um, technical stuff like internet marketing, search engine optimization. You don't need to know all that stuff. So the benefit in the system is all of that stuff is done for you. You do have to put in a little work, but at least you don't have to know all of the technical stuff. And if you are willing to take a little time to go through a couple of videos, then this is absolutely for you and it absolutely will work for you. So don't be afraid, just click the link below, get the information, and I look forward to working with you. You have a great day. Bye for now.